everyone, we're hallucinating or something right now. But
the Coheed
sign is in the clouds. Like, look in the clouds.
It's
like,
in the sky.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Like, you see,
That's
the triangle.
That's the triangle.
And then the circle.
That's the circle. And that's the circle in the middle.
Yup,
And
and then
that's
the other
circle
circle.
over there. And then that one is the circle over there. And then that's the circle over there.
That is the sign of the
Coheed
Messiah.
sign.
The Messiah is coming, everyone. The revolution will start.
Seriously.
What time do they play?
8:40.
At 8:40,
So
the revolution will start.
Get it ready, because the rapture, all that is coming. Okay,
The
Armageddon.
sacrificial. We're all gonna sacrifice ourselves to the Messiah.
Except for me, just her.
No joking. Like,
I'm not.
but we love you, Cody.
We love you, Claudio.
Claudio Sanchez, I want to have your babies.
That's not gonna work because I'm kind of already his baby mama.
You know what? I'm pregnant with his twins right now, so shush.
You bet. Get out.